why different cities have different times? Would you know why kangaroos have pouches? Why chicken eggs have an oval? Like to know why zebras have stripes but horses don't? Why fish don't drown? You know why cats purr? Know why dogs don't like cats? See anything when the lights are turned off? Why a camel has a hump? The human heart is beating. Know why the earth is round? Cats lick themselves. Know why seawater is salty? Know why birds don't fall from branches while sleeping? You like to know why alligators sit with their mouths open? Snowflakes are so beautiful? Know why mosquitoes and cockroaches are needed? Know what bees make honey from? Grasshoppers chirp. Know why the wind blows? Know where snow comes from? Know why we don't see pigeon chick? Why swallows fly low before rain? Curious? Know why chickens don't fly? To know why birds sing?